The role of medical expenses is a vital component of any intelligent assessment of the value of a personal injury case. Medical expenses are typically grouped into one of two categories: past medical expenses and future medical expenses. To some extent, past medical expenses, or the calculation thereof, is really a mathematical exercise, simply pulling out a calculator and tabulating the medical expenses incurred to date. An analysis involving future medical costs is typically more sophisticated. Usually, the testimony of an expert is required to extrapolate into the future, and an opinion from that expert is required as to what, in reasonable likelihood, will be incurred by that individual at a future time. Now, insurance companies will typically raise two arguments as to why the full amount of medical expenses should not be included in the value of a claim. They will initially argue that services provided are simply not related to any injury sustained in an accident. The second argument is somewhat more sophisticated. Although the insurance company may agree that the charges are related to an injury sustained in the accident, they then argue that the charges are excessive and unreasonable, and not in accord with those usually and customarily charged in the geographic location for similar services. Now, a skilled personal injury attorney can help you overcome these arguments and make sure that the full amount of medical expense, both past and future, is properly included in your claim.